You worked 40 hours this week. You received your paycheck. For a moment, you feel rich. But just a few days later, the money is gone. Rent takes a huge chunk. Taxes disappear before you even see them. Groceries cost more than expected. Insurance, subscriptions, gas, utilities. And suddenly you're asking yourself, where did all my money go? If you've ever felt like you're working hard but never getting ahead, this video will explain exactly why. By the end of this video, you'll understand where every dollar goes and how financially smart people keep more of it. Chapter 1. The biggest lie about salary. Imagine getting a job offer for $70,000. Before your paycheck reaches your bank account, money has already been deducted. Federal taxes, state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, health insurance, retirement contributions. The number you see on your offer letter isn't the number that lands in your account. Most people never calculate the difference. That's the first reason people feel broke. Chapter 2. Housing eats everything. Now comes the biggest expense: housing. Whether you rent an apartment or pay a mortgage, housing often takes 30% to 40% of your monthly income. In expensive cities, it can be more than 50%. Many people upgrade to bigger homes as their salary increases. This is called lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. Instead of becoming wealthier, you simply become more expensive. Chapter 3. The silent money killers. Now let's talk about the expenses nobody notices. Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, cloud storage, gym memberships, food delivery apps, coffee every morning, online shopping. Each expense feels tiny, but together they quietly drain thousands of dollars every year. Small leaks sink big ships, and small expenses destroy big savings. Chapter 4. Why food costs. More than you think, buying groceries isn't cheap anymore. Eating out is even more expensive. Many people spend hundreds of dollars every month without tracking it. The problem isn't food, it's buying food without a plan. Financially successful people don't necessarily eat less, they simply waste less. Planning meals, cooking more often, and avoiding impulse purchases can save thousands every year. Chapter 5. The Trap of Credit Cards. Credit cards aren't evil, but using them incorrectly can become one of the most expensive mistakes you'll ever make. Imagine buying something today and paying interest for months, sometimes years. Banks love customers who only pay the minimum amount because interest keeps growing. The wealthy use credit cards for rewards. Most people use them for things they can't afford. That's the difference. Chapter 6. The Wealth Formula. So where does your paycheck actually go? Taxes, housing, transportation, food, insurance, entertainment, subscriptions, debt. Most people spend first, then save whatever is left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save and invest first, then they spend what's left. That one habit changes everything. Ending. The goal isn't to make $1 million overnight. The goal is to stop losing money without realizing it. Every dollar has a job. If you tell your money where to go, it will build your future. If you don't, it will disappear. So the next time you get paid, don't ask, where did my paycheck go? Instead, ask, where do I want my money to take me? If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, subscribe to Dollar Cents Daily for simple, practical finance videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.